Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 1. Our learning goal for today says, I can count and organize objects into groups of 10. All right, awesome. So if we're going to be making groups of 10, we need to find a whole bunch of objects, right? Let's see. Oh, I have this craft bag. Let me see what's in there. Popsicle sticks. Yeah, I have some popsicle sticks. Let's see if we can make 10. Can you help me count? Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. We made one group of 10. Ah, we did fantastic. You know what? I think there's more in my bag. Let's see what else I have. Let's scooch those over. I know I have some buttons. Let's count the buttons. See if we can make another group of 10. Here we go. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Man, oh man, we made another group of 10. All right, let's see. We had 1 10, now we have 2 10s, right? Yeah, because here's one group and here's another group. So we have 2 10s. Let's see, there's more in my craft bag. Some crayons. Let's see if we can make a group of 10 crayons. Ready to start counting? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, cool. We made a group of 10 crayons as well. Friends, we have popsicle sticks and buttons and crayons. How many groups of 10 do you see right there? Yeah, I see 3 groups of 10s. Can you say that the say 10 way? 3 10s. It makes sense because here's a 10, here's a 10, and here's a 10. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 10s. All right, let's try again. Let's do, acorns. Those always make for some fun crafts. Let's count some acorns and see if we can't make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we made another group of 10. Can you look carefully and see how many groups of 10s do we have now? Yeah, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put up a group of 10, and as I do, let's count these groups of 10 the say 10 way. So you say it nice and loud, okay? Here we go. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. See, each of these is a group of 10. So if we're talking about how many groups we have, we would say 1 for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since they're 10s, we have to make sure that we're saying it correctly. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. How else could we count these groups of 10s, friends? Yes, we could count by 10s, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. See, when you make groups of 10s, those are different ways to describe them. We could use the say 10 way or the regular way. You know, our learning goal said I can count and organize objects into groups of 10s. That's exactly what we did today. And the trickiest part about making groups of 10s is to make sure that you count them out correctly. Because you would be so bummed if you thought you had a group of 10 and you didn't have quite enough because you counted too quickly and made a mistake. So that's exactly what happened to me. See, I was counting out these shorts in pineapple, and I realized I'm missing one of them, and I don't know which one. So could you do me a favor for the extra ticket? Can you count to see? I have a group of 10 of one of them. Can you count? Do I have a group of 10 of the shorts or a group of 10 of pineapples? Can you go ahead and send me a video letting me know which one I have a group of 10? Now make sure that you're counting very carefully. So have a plan for your counting. All right, good luck.